Have you ever walked into a room and someone asked you, "What's your secret? You look way younger than your age." Well, let me tell you something shocking. It's not always about expensive creams, anti-aging treatments, or surgeries. Sometimes the real magic starts in your kitchen. In a world where people spend thousands trying to slow down time, those who understand what to eat can naturally reverse the signs of aging without even trying. If you're tired of looking older than you feel, or if you want people to notice that glow, the smoothness, and the energy in you, this video is your secret weapon. Today I'll reveal 7 powerful foods that are not just good for your body, but will make you look younger than others, naturally from the inside out. So before we begin, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because this channel is where real transformation begins. Let's dive in. 1. Avocados, the skin rejuvenator. Let's talk about a fruit that's often misunderstood, the avocado. Most people just see it as a trendy toast topping, but what they don't realize is that this green miracle is one of the most powerful skin rejuvenating foods on the planet. If you want to reverse the signs of aging and have that soft, radiant, younger looking skin that turns heads, you need to start taking avocados seriously. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are like liquid gold for your skin. These fats act as internal moisturizers, keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out. While most people waste money on creams that only touch the surface, avocado nourishes every skin cell deep beneath, giving you that natural dewy look that no product can replicate. But that's just the beginning. Avocados are loaded with vitamin E, one of the most powerful antioxidants for skin repair. It protects your skin from environmental damage, sun exposure, and pollution, all of which accelerate aging. Over time, this silent warrior helps in reducing fine lines, smoothing out wrinkles, and giving your face a firmer, more youthful appearance. And here's what makes it extreme. Avocados don't just protect your skin, they literally rebuild it. Their nutrient-rich oils go into the very structure of your skin cells and repair them from within, which means not only do you look younger, but your skin actually becomes healthier. You want that glow that makes people stop and ask, "What's your secret?" Then don't just eat an avocado occasionally. Make it a part of your daily routine. Add it to smoothies, salads, or even eat it plain with a sprinkle of salt and lemon. Because every spoonful you take is a step towards slowing time down and letting your skin reveal your true vitality. 2. Blueberries, the antioxidant bomb. They may be small in size, but blueberries are nothing short of a skin-repairing superpower. If you've been searching for a natural way to combat wrinkles, dullness, and tired-looking skin, this little berry might just be your best-kept secret. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially one called anthocyanin, which gives them their deep blue color. But don't let their beauty fool you. These antioxidants are on a mission. They go to war every single day inside your body, fighting off free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up aging, break down collagen, and cause your skin to sag and wrinkle faster than it should. Here's the extreme truth. Every time you walk outside, every time you're stressed, sleep-deprived, or exposed to pollution, your skin gets attacked. And if you don't defend it from the inside, the damage shows up quickly: fine lines, uneven tone, dark spots, and that lifeless, worn-out appearance. But a handful of blueberries a day? That's your shield. It's like feeding your skin a protective armor made of pure nature. Even better, blueberries enhance blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients get delivered to your skin cells. The result? Brighter, tighter, smoother skin that literally glows with energy. Over time, your skin becomes more even-toned, more elastic, and visibly more youthful. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to add to your routine. Toss them in your morning oats, smoothies, or just eat them straight. Because when you eat blueberries consistently, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're feeding your future face. A face that looks younger, fresher, and full of life. 3. Sweet potatoes, the natural glow giver. If you've ever looked in the mirror and felt like your skin had lost its spark, its glow, that radiance that once lit up your face, then sweet potatoes might be the golden key you've been missing. These aren't just comfort food. They're a natural glow-enhancing miracle sent straight from the earth. What makes sweet potatoes so powerful is their high content of beta-carotene, a plant compound your body transforms into vitamin A. The vitamin responsible for skin cell regeneration, elasticity, and that youthful, smooth texture we all crave. Think of it like this: every time you eat sweet potatoes, you're telling your skin to shed the tired old layers and rebuild itself younger, stronger, and more vibrant. But here's what makes this food extreme. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes doesn't just improve your skin's health, it actually alters the way your skin looks naturally. The beta-carotene builds up under the skin over time and gives you a subtle sun-kissed tone, a natural tint that radiates youth, vitality, and health. No artificial highlighters, no makeup tricks, just nature making your skin glow from within. And while other people are spending hundreds on skin treatments and lighting filters, those who eat sweet potatoes are achieving real, lasting results without even trying. This isn't a beauty hack. This is science-backed skin transformation on your plate. Add them roasted, mashed, or baked. Just make them part of your routine. Because every bite you take is another step towards skin that doesn't just look young, but feels alive. 4. Nuts, the age-defying snack. When it comes to anti-aging, most people immediately think of expensive creams or miracle serums. But the truth is, some of the most powerful age-fighting weapons don't come in fancy bottles. They come in shells. Yes, we're talking about nuts, those tiny, crunchy powerhouses that are nothing less than nature's anti-aging pills. Let's break it down. Almonds, walnuts, and especially Brazil nuts are packed with nutrients your skin desperately craves as you age. They contain vitamin E, which acts like a protective shield for your skin, defending it against sun damage, pollution, and everyday wear and tear. Then there's omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in walnuts. These are not just healthy fats, they're skin-repairing warriors that fight dryness, smooth out wrinkles, and keep your skin soft and elastic. But here's the part that takes it to the extreme. Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium, a trace mineral that most people are deficient in. And that's dangerous because selenium is vital for preventing premature aging. It helps your skin maintain its firmness, elasticity, and youthful resilience. And without it, your skin starts aging faster than it should. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can give you all the selenium your body needs to defend against time. When you make nuts a part of your daily diet, you're not just eating a snack, you're feeding your skin at the cellular level. You're repairing damage, restoring moisture, reducing inflammation, and building a foundation for a face that defies your age. So while others are spending fortunes to look young, you're just reaching into a jar of almonds or walnuts and letting nature do what it does best: keep you radiant, glowing, and ageless from the inside out. 5. Tomatoes, the UV shield. Imagine being able to defend your skin from the sun before you even step outside. No lotion, no spray, just food. That's the incredible power of tomatoes, one of the most underrated weapons in the fight against aging. While most people use sunscreen as a last-minute fix, tomatoes act as your skin's internal shield, guarding you from within every single day. The secret? A potent antioxidant called lycopene. This is what gives tomatoes their rich red color, but it also does something extraordinary. It helps protect your skin from harmful UV rays, the biggest cause of premature aging. Think of lycopene as your body's natural sunscreen. It doesn't replace sunblock, but it builds a second layer of invisible protection that fights sun damage before it even happens. But here's where it gets extreme. UV rays not only burn your skin, they silently destroy collagen, the protein responsible for your skin's firmness and structure. Over time, this leads to sagging skin, wrinkles, and that tired, aged look. Lycopene in tomatoes doesn't just defend, it also triggers collagen production, working behind the scenes to keep your skin tight, elastic, and youthfully lifted. And the best part? The more consistently you consume tomatoes, especially cooked ones like in sauces or soups, the more lycopene your body absorbs. You're not just eating a fruit, you're layering your skin with invisible armor that fights aging from the inside out. So while others rely solely on creams and regret, you'll be walking around with radiant, firm, UV-protected skin because you made a simple, powerful choice. You added tomatoes to your life, and now time has no power over you. 6. Dark chocolate, the sweet secret to youth. What if one of the most delicious indulgences on the planet was also a secret weapon against aging? Sounds too good to be true, right? But believe it or not, dark chocolate, yes, real, rich, high cocoa dark chocolate, is one of the most luxurious ways to keep your skin young, radiant, and protected. Let's get one thing clear. We're not talking about sugar-packed candy bars. We're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, the kind that's loaded with flavanols, powerful plant compounds that literally transform your skin from the inside out. These flavanols increase blood flow to the skin, which means your skin cells are getting more oxygen, more nutrients, and more of everything they need to look vibrant, firm, and full of life. But here's where it gets extreme. These same compounds also offer protection from sun damage, a major cause of wrinkles, dark spots, and sagging. That's right, while others are layering on sunscreen, you could be building your defenses with every bite of dark chocolate. And it doesn't stop there. Dark chocolate helps your skin retain moisture, preventing that dry, dull look that screams aging. Instead, your skin stays smooth, soft, and hydrated, like it's lit from within. And the best part? It feels like a guilty pleasure, but it's not. It's self-care. It's beauty therapy in a square. While the world tells you to give up sweets to stay young, dark chocolate whispers the truth. Some pleasures actually preserve your youth. So go ahead, indulge wisely. Let each bite remind you that staying young isn't about deprivation. It's about making powerful, delicious choices. Because youth doesn't always come from sacrifice. Sometimes it comes wrapped in cocoa. 7. Green tea, the fountain of youth in a cup. What if the secret to turning back the clock wasn't in a bottle or a treatment, but in a simple steaming cup? Meet green tea, often underestimated, but quietly one of the most powerful anti-aging elixirs on earth. It's not just a beverage, it's a ritual of renewal, a daily dose of youth, flowing straight from nature. Packed with polyphenols, especially one called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Green tea doesn't just slow the aging process, it attacks it at its root. These compounds are like microscopic warriors working inside your body, repairing damaged DNA, calming inflammation, and neutralizing free radicals that try to steal your youth. While other drinks load your body with sugar and toxins, green tea purifies, heals, and restores. But here's where it gets extreme. It doesn't just prevent wrinkles. It has the power to reverse the early signs of aging. That means smoother skin, faded fine lines, reduced puffiness, and a complexion that begins to glow like it did years ago. With consistent use, many people report noticeable improvements in their skin's texture, tightness, and clarity within just a few weeks. All from something as simple as swapping your morning coffee or sugary soda for this warm, healing cup of youth. Green tea isn't hype, it's a time-tested, science-backed miracle in a mug. While others chase expensive fixes and fleeting trends, you'll be nourishing your body with something real, something powerful, something ancient. Drink it daily. Let it flow through your system. Let it cleanse, protect, and rewind your skin's story. Because the fountain of youth doesn't have to be mythical. It just might be sitting in your kitchen right now. Now you know the truth. Your plate can be your skincare routine. You don't need filters, surgeries, or expensive products. What you truly need is awareness and the discipline to eat right. So which of these 7 foods are already in your diet? And which are you adding starting today? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves to look as young as they feel. Because aging is natural, but looking old, that's optional.